going to factor special cases here. In this case, these are difference of squares. So m squared minus 1 becomes m plus 1 and m minus 1. So that's what you write in there. Since m squared and 1 are both squares, so you can difference of squares factor. Here, special cases, we're going to use am factoring. Two numbers that add to -6 and multiply to 9. In this case, they are both h minus 3, and I'm going to write squared. Fancy way of writing it. All right, for this kind of factoring, I'm going to use the bottoms up method. So g squared plus 12g. I multiply the 9 and 4 to create 36, which eliminates the 9 from the top. Then I'm going to factor. And then, so that's step 1, step 2. Then I'm going to divide each of the numbers here by 9. Then I'm going to simplify. And lastly, I put the coefficient in front. Sorry, the denominator in front, and it'll act as the coefficient. And you type that in. This is a difference of squares. Difference of squares. Once again here, I'm going to use the bottoms up. I'm going to do a little faster this time. So s squared minus 20s plus 100, s minus 10 squared. Divide both by 25. Simplify the fraction. So 5s minus 2. Two of them. That's a fast way of doing the bottoms up. Accelerated. Difference of squares. Difference of squares. Bottoms up method. This. Bottoms up method. This. Difference of squares. Yeah. This is when it gets a little cloudy. Divide everything by 3 first. See, common factor. 9k squared plus 48k plus 64. I'm going to do my bottoms up method. 9 times 64 is 576. And both numbers are 24. I divide both of them by 9. I simplify the fraction. I get 8/3, which means I put the 3 in front and the 8 stays over here. And that's my final answer. Let's do one more. Difference of squares. All right, that's enough. We'll end at 78.